I'm Anu, and I'm going to show you how to make a really nice NingXia shot recipe, which we call hot flash, and it needs just 2 oil ingredients. So we have peppermint and cinnamon bark plus oils, and of course our NingXia Red, and we're going to show you how to do it now. So just get a cocktail shaker or any other shaker you may have at home, and it requires around 1 or 2 ounces per shot. So let's just go in and pour that in. Now you can add ice into this if you want as well to make a really cool shot, but because it's one that's quite warming, I'm not going to add the ice today. You then need to add around 2 drops per shot of the oil. So here we have 2 drops of cinnamon bark, 4 drops of cinnamon bark, and then 4 drops of peppermint plus essential oil. So pour it all in and then give it a good shake. And there's not too much on here, so you don't have to do too much to it. Open it up, and there we have, you pour out the shot in the glasses, and they're ready to go. Nice and warming yet refreshing with that peppermint oil. We have our hot flash NingXia shot. Now, if you give it a go and you like this recipe, do let us know. And if you want to see more, add some comments into the box below. Thank you so much.